Hello and welcome. Today we'll be making this delicious shrimps and egg fried rice. It's quite easy to prepare and I trust you enjoy. For this recipe, we'll be using some sweet corn, carrot, spring onions, green bell peppers, eggs, and shrimps, which I already marinated in onion powder, paprika, and stock powder. We'll also be using minced ginger, onions, garlic, white pepper, salt, and stock powder. And for the sauces, we'll be using teriyaki sauce and soy sauce, and then we need some plain vegetable oil and boiled long grain rice. We'll start by heating up about 3 tablespoonfuls of vegetable oil, to which we'll be adding our marinated shrimps, and we'll cook each side for 3 minutes and then set aside for later use. Shrimps cook really fast, so I don't go more than 2 to 3 minutes so they don't come out rubbery and chewy. So now we'll add more oil to the pan and saute the minced onions and garlic until fragrant. We'll go ahead and add the carrots, the green bell pepper, and sweet corn. And then we add the stock powder and salt and mix to combine until the carrot is softened. We'll add a whisked egg and cook until done. I like to break it up a bit to avoid having huge egg lumps in the fried rice. So now we'll set it aside for later use. We'll go ahead and heat up some oil in a wok or skillet, to which we'll be adding our minced garlic and ginger, and we'll fry until fragrant. We'll then add the cooked long grain rice, we'll mix together and we'll stir fry on high heat for 30 seconds. I also added more oil to the rice to give the rice a good fry and shine. Now it's time to add the dark soy sauce, the teriyaki sauce, and the white pepper. Since the veggie mix and the sauces already have some salt, I was careful not to add any more so that our fried rice doesn't come out salty, but you can taste for seasoning and adjust to your taste. So now that the rice is piping hot and well fried, we'll add the veggie egg mix and the fried shrimps, and then we'll stir fry on high heat for about 10 seconds to blend the flavors together. And finally, we'll garnish with some spring onions and mix to combine. And here you have it, a delicious, quick and easy shrimps and egg fried rice to enjoy. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, subscribe and share this video with a friend. I truly appreciate. See you in the next video. Bye bye.